Hello everyone, it's me. Number 10. Wolf spider. There are over 400 species of wolf spiders and can be found all over the world. They are medium-sized spiders, ranging from 3 to 12 millimeters in length. Wolf spiders do not spin webs to catch their prey, unlike many other spider species. Instead, they are active hunters who chase down their food. They are also known for being aggressive and will attack anything that invades their space. Wolf spiders can even attack other spiders. They usually eat roaches, crickets, and other insects, but have been known to eat small reptiles and amphibians. Their venom is relatively harmless to humans, but they are capable of inflicting a nasty bite if provoked. If you find yourself in an area where wolf spiders are common, it's best to keep an eye out for these little predators. Number 9. Spiders have super strength. Spiders are actually one of the strongest animals in the world when you take their size into account. The average tarantula can lift over 1,700 times its own body weight. That's equivalent to a human lifting a small car. This strength allows spiders to capture large prey such as rodents and birds. It also helps them to escape predators such as frogs and lizards. The reason why spiders are so strong is because they have a special protein in their bodies called spidroin. This protein is what makes up their webs and allows them to be so tough. Scientists are still trying to figure out how they make this protein, but it may be able to help us create new materials that are stronger than steel. In the meantime, we can marvel at the amazing strength of spiders and be glad that we aren't on their menu. Number 8. Spiders can sense danger through vibrations. Most spiders can sense danger through vibrations in their webs. This is how they know when they're being hunted by a bird or a mammal. It's also how they know when it's time to lay their eggs. In fact, some spiders will purposely vibrate their webs to attract mates. Each species has its own unique vibration pattern, so males will often have to learn the correct one in order to find a partner. This ability to sense vibrations is extremely helpful for spiders. It gives them a warning that danger is near so they can run away or hide. It also helps them to find food and mates. Without it, they would be much more vulnerable to predators and would have a much harder time surviving. Number 7. There are more than 100,000 species of spiders. Believe it or not, there are actually more than 100,000 different types of spiders in the world today. However, only about 45,000 of them have been officially identified by scientists. New species are being discovered all the time, and experts believe that there could be millions of different kinds of spiders out there. These little creatures come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny jumping spiders to the enormous Goliath bird eater. No matter what kind of spider you encounter, it's sure to be an amazing sight. With so many different kinds of spiders in the world, it's no wonder that they're such a popular tourist attraction. People from all over the globe come to see these incredible creatures up close and personal. If you've never seen a spider in its natural habitat before, then you're really missing out on an amazing experience. So next time you're near a forest or a desert, be sure to keep your eyes peeled for spiders. You never know what you might see. Number 6. Spiders can live in many different environments. You can find spiders in almost any environment on Earth, from the Arctic Circle to the Sahara Desert. They can live in forests, grasslands, deserts, and even mountains. And they're most active during the warmer months of the year. Spiders need water to survive, but they can go long periods without food. This is one reason why they're able to live in so many different environments. Another reason is that spiders are very adaptable creatures. They can tolerate a wide range of temperatures and humidity levels. Plus, they don't need a lot of space to thrive. A single spider can make a web in a corner of a room or under a leaf in the forest. No matter where you go on Earth, chances are good that you'll find a spider nearby. So if you're ever exploring the great outdoors, be sure to watch your step. You don't want to accidentally disturb one of these creepy crawlies. No, 5, spiders can be very long-lived and Some species of spiders can live for many years, with the oldest known spider living to be 43 years old. There are a few factors that contribute to a spider's lifespan. One is its environment. Spiders that live in temperate climates tend to live longer than those who live in tropical climates. This is because the weather is more consistent in temperate climates, providing spiders with the stable conditions they need to thrive. Another factor that affects a spider's lifespan is its diet. Spiders that eat a lot of protein tend to live longer than those who don't. This is because protein is essential for the production of enzymes and hormones, which regulate all the functions in a spider's body. Finally, the size of a spider also plays a role in its lifespan. Generally, larger spiders live longer than smaller spiders. This is because bigger spiders have more resources available to them, which means they're better able to withstand the challenges of their environment. So if you want your spider to live a long and healthy life, make sure it has access to plenty of protein, a stable climate, and plenty of space. Number 4. Spiders are not insects. Despite what you may have heard, spiders are actually not insects. They belong to a separate group of arthropods called arachnids. This might come as a surprise to some, as spiders share many similarities with insects. Both are invertebrates with segmented bodies and jointed legs. However, there are some key differences between the two groups. For example, spiders have 2 body segments, while insects have 3. Additionally, spiders have 8 legs and 2 main parts to their bodies, while insects have 6 legs and 3 main parts. These differences are enough to classify them into different groups. While spiders may not be insects, they are just as fascinating. With over 100,000 species of spiders in the world, there is a lot to learn about these amazing creatures. So next time you see a spider, take a closer look. You might be surprised by what you find. Number 3. Spiders can produce silk. Silk is a protein fiber that spiders produce in order to make their webs. The silk is secreted from special glands in the spider's abdomen and is spun into a thread by the spinnerets. This thread can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating a web to catch food or building a cocoon for eggs. Silk is one of the strongest fibers in the world, stronger than steel of the same thickness. This is due to the unique structure of the protein molecules. Silk is also very light and flexible, making it ideal for use in weaving and other textile applications. In addition to its strength and flexibility, silk is also highly resistant to heat and chemicals. This makes it a very durable material that can last for many years. Because of these amazing properties, silk has been prized by humans for centuries. It is often used to make high-quality fabrics such as suits, dresses, and curtains. Silk is also used in the production of carpets, rugs, and upholstery. In addition to its practical uses, silk is also used for decorative purposes. Silk flowers and silk paintings are highly prized by collectors. Overall, silk is an amazing material that has many uses. Its strength, flexibility, and durability make it a very valuable resource. Number 2. Spiders have 8 eyes. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but there are a few exceptions. For example, the jumping spider only has 2 eyes. Having 8 eyes gives spiders an advantage when hunting their prey. They can see in all directions except directly behind them. This helps them to spot predators as well as their next meal. Spiders also use their eyes to help them build webs. The intricate patterns that you see in spider webs are actually created using the spider's eyes as a guide. Each spider has a different way of building its web, and each web is perfectly suited for the type of spider that lives there. From the spiral webs of orb weavers to the funnel webs of cobweb spiders, there is a wide variety of spider webs in nature, and each one is a testament to the spider's amazing eyesight. Number 1. There are some spiders that can jump. Jumping spiders are a type of spider that can jump up to 50 times their body length. They are small spiders, usually only a few millimeters long, and they are found all over the world. Jumping spiders have excellent vision, and they use this ability to help them hunt. They wait until they are close to their prey, and then they spring into action, catching their meal in their sticky webs. These spiders are also known for their acrobatic abilities. They can climb up walls and ceilings with ease, and they are often seen doing strange things like walking on their hind legs. Jumping spiders are harmless to humans, so if you ever encounter one, don't be afraid to admire their amazing abilities.